Today's class will discuss about inner classes.
Okay.
What is inner classes?
A class defined in another class.
A class
Defined in another class.
is known as inner classes, right?
Yeah. Yes.
What are the types of inner classes?
Member inner class, static inner class, local inner class, and anonymous inner class.
Okay. First we'll talk about member inner class. You guys need to concentrate arrays examples. Array. Okay. So we'll talk about member inner classes in Java. Create a project.
Chaitanya, we are not able to see your screen. Yeah.
Yeah, I also know that. Thank you. Who is this? Pavani.
Yeah. Both.
Okay. This table we will get your message. Okay. Member in the classes. Create a project. Inside this project, we'll have different packages. In each and every package, we have one classes. Okay. Class. Okay. Member outer com dot ch dot member. What is the meaning of com dot ch? Anybody have any idea?
No.
What is com? What is this one? Anybody has any idea?
Package name.
Okay, but why I am giving com dot ch always? Any specific reason for that?
Component. COM means component.
Okay. Who is this?
CH means Suguna.
Okay.
CH means chapter, I think. I think so. Is that right?
No, I will explain later.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for your answer. There is a class called as member outer class. It has one main method. Okay, I'm going to write one more method called as public void. You can call it as a function one. Please concentrate. It's a very important concept. Function member. Member means parent class. Okay. I declare the variable int I equal to sorry. I have a class here called as member outer. Inside this class, I declare a class again. Class member inner. Inside this class, I'm going to have one int I variable, int I, and inside this, I'm going to have one method called as function member inner. This is the inside. This is the class. This class inside the one class, a member outer is there. Inside this member inner class is there. Inside this, I'm going to have one method and one variable. Okay. Now, here in outer class, I have one variable called as index. The text value, I'm going to assign some value here in inner class, x equal to 25. Okay. In a member outer class, I have one more method called as public void func member outer. Okay. Here I'm going to make x equal to x plus 1. I want to access the method, this method. So what I have to do in this method, in function member outer method, I want to access inner class method. What I have to do for that?
To create an object of the inner class.
Excellent. Who is this?
Pavni.
Yes. Why I will get always confused you guys? Voice both are same. Do you think? You guys, I think. Because whenever you would speak, I always get confused. Anyway, for me, answer is fine. I don't want a person. Is it right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. I create object. So we can create a inner class object, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now, I want to access the inner class variable.
Inner dot
I equal to 25.
So, can we access outer class variables in the inner class? Like you have assigned x is equals to 25?
Can you please take assignment plan, implement and show me, please? I don't have time now.
No problem.
Who is this?
Yeah.
Paul. Yeah, please implement the example.
Okay.
Try. You have to try it, all these things.
Yeah, I did try various methods in wrapper classes today. It was like really good.
Yes. Then only you tried, I given assignment, you tried, right? If I won't give assignment, you won't try it. So, please concentrate on assignments always. So this is the way I can access inner class methods, inner class variables inside the methods. Now, I want to access inner class methods. I want to access inner class methods in the main method. So that scenario, how I have to do? If I create object for a member in the class, right?
You already have created an object for inner class.
That is where in main method, right? That is called local variable, right?
Oh yeah.
What is the difference between local variable and instance variable?
Local
So I am
variable
getting some
will
error. Can you help me out? What is this error?
Multiple markers at this line.
Please help me out. Complete answer.
Multiple markers at this line. No enclosing instance of type member outer is accessible. Must qualify the allocation with an enclosing instance of type member outer, where x is an instant of outer member outer. The value of local variable inner is not used.
You understand the concept?
No.
By reading? No, right?
No.
You cannot create a object straight away like this. You should create object from by using like this. Member outer dot member inner outer inner equal to new member outer dot
Member inner.
new new member inner outer inner dot. I'm going to access function member inner method.
Okay.
Now if I run the application, inside of member inner function member inner, right? You will get a doubt. Chaitanya, in line number 18, you try to create an object for member inner, but you don't give any error for that.
Yeah.
Huh?
But it was in a method. This was in main method, right?
Yeah, what is the difference between method and main method?
Main method.
Please write down. This is the syntax for, please take this line and please write down. This is the syntax for creating objects of inner classes This is syntax for creating objects of inner classes from static methods of outer classes. Anyone ask how to create object in Java for inner class, right? You should not straight away tell answer. You should ask which one, where you want to create object. First question, you should re-ask the question to interviewer, saying like where you want to create it. Mr. Chaitanya, where do you want to create object for inner class? Okay. I will tell, I want to create an object for method. That's how you should tell, okay, member inner equal to new in member. That's it. I will tell, I want to create an object in static blocks or static methods. That scenario, you should tell this one. Member outer dot, member inner equal to, outer inner equal to, new member outer dot, new member inner. Then only I will create object and I can access the methods in the inner classes, inner class variables, inner class methods inside the static block.
Okay.
This is the syntax for creating objects of inner classes from static functions or of outer classes. For a member inner class, this is member inner classes, okay? There are 4 types of classes are there in the classes. For a member inner class, any non-static members of the outer class is directly available. For a member inner class, any non-static members of the outer class is directly available. Since a class contains static or non-static members, we may think of defining static members in the inner classes. We may think of defining static members in inner classes, but the rule says that non-static member inner classes should not have static members.
But the rule says
that non-static member inner classes should not have static members. So this main method you can access from outside of the subclasses also. Outside of the other class, you can have a test class, member outer test class. That from there also I can access it. This main method. Same scenario, same flow we have to use it. Okay. Create a test class for this. You are able to access them. We will see you are able to access the variables or not. Are you able to access?
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Okay. That means we can able to access the other class methods, other class inner class methods, inner class variables inside the any of the classes, right?
Yes.
What will happen if we declare inner class as what if this class is private, public, or default, protected?
Default.
Okay. What is the meaning of default?
Default is same like protected, means can access in that particular class.
Okay. Answer is not confident. You should tell the wrong answer, right answer in a confident way. What is Java? Java is a programming language. That's it. Should not ask next question. Based on your confidence level, sometimes if you are not able to answer also, you are trying to explain something, you are not able to answer also. But that confidence, they will see the confidence. You are in good confidence. You have a confidence. She has confidence. They will have a discussion. Interview will be 2 or 3 people will be there. They have a confidence. She has confidence. So we will select her like this. So like this, people think for confidence also. 50% of the people are thinking for confidence. 50% of the interviews will be done through conference. Okay. I want to create a member inner classes as a private classes. Okay. If we declare inner class as a private, then please write down. If we declare an inner class as a private, then it is possible to create object of inner classes only in its outer classes.
It is possible to create?
It is possible to create object of inner classes only in its outer classes. Next point. Outside the outer class, it is not possible to create object of inner classes. In inner class, suppose 1 second. I have here employee class is there. I have employee class. I have customer class. I have two classes, two methods, display customers, display employee. My member outer class extends, I want to extend a employee class, customer class. Okay, able to extend it. Whatever the classes member outer class will extend, right? Inner class also will try to extend, will extend same classes. Whatever the, please write down, an inner class can extend, an inner class can extend any class which is available to its outer classes. An inner class can extend an outer class. Member inner extends member outer. Inner class can extend an outer class, but there is no use of it because since inner class is a member of the outer class, even without using the extend keyword, please write down. The properties of the outer classes are available to the inner classes. I don't think you guys are writing the notes because I'm filling the more notes. Anyway, this guy is uploading the videos and I can watch like this. You guys are thinking like this. Please tell me, anyone is writing the notes?
You should trust your students, Chaitanya. We are writing.
Yeah, I don't trust my students. I never trust my students.
You sure you have to trust?
No, I told long back, you guys please send me your notes by taking your photos.
Sure, I'll send just.
No one is sending.
I send you, right?
Suguna one time send it. That means that day only she wrote notes, I think so.
No, I'm writing notes. Sometimes I used to take notes by notepad also.
Yeah. Sometimes you
because
take the notes. Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, used to go very fast. So I thought like I can type it fast.
This is the way. I wanted I will go fast because you should run.
Yeah.
You're not like 5th class students, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm also running with you.
Yeah, I should not tell with the spellings. I should tell continuously, wantedly. Okay, wantedly I'm telling, guys. Please don't take it bad. Wantedly I'm telling, running the fastly.
Okay.
An inner class can extend an outer class, but there is no use of it because, since inner classes is a member of the outer classes, even without using extend keyword, the properties of the outer classes are available to the inner classes. So you guys clear, right? What is member in the
Yeah.
What is member in the classes? Hello. Now what will happen? Employee has abstract method. The class has abstract method. What is the meaning of that? What I have to declare the class? Hello.
Pardon?
The class has abstract method. Why I'm giving error here? What is the error?
You have to declare the class as a abstract class.
Okay. But error not gone, right? Consider if you are attending an interview, if you tell the answer, if some question asked, an interview asks some question, he may be having list of concepts. I want to see her in this area. I want to see her in this area, she is strong or not. So he will ask one question in core Java. What will happen if I give an abstract class without giving abstract keyword in Java? Then you will tell, oh, this is the right answer. Chaitanya told me excellent, and I will answer. In straight away you will tell you should declare as abstract class. That's it. Okay. Then he will understand. Okay, she knows the concept, but she is not trying to explain. Then he will move to the next concept. Next question he will move. But he won't. If you know that after that you know the answer also. If you're trying to explain also, he won't listen that answer. So that's what, if I have a method here, abstract method, what is the error I am getting? The method requires a body instead of a semicolon. Then someone told abstract class you should use it. First you should use
Abstract keyword in method.
excellent. This is the answer anybody will expect. Then once you have abstract methods in a Java class, we should declare the class as a
Abstract class.
excellent. This is the way. Now we'll see how abstract methods will work in member in outer classes. What is this error? Okay, we'll see in the inner class. We'll extend the. We'll see abstract methods or not. What is this error?
The type member outer dot member inner must implement the inherited abstract method employee dot get employee.
Same implementation, right? Same behavior, right?
Yeah.
No need to worry for this, right?
Yes. But a question. So now we are trying to extend the abstract classes in outer in class as well as inner class. So we have to override the methods in both inner class, outer class, or everything is fine.
Question to you. Who is this?
Again me, Pavani.
Okay. Then explain my question again.
So we are trying to extend the abstract class in the member outer class and member inner class.
Not.
So
I'm just showing you. See,
Okay.
thing is like your parent. He is the grandfather. He is your parent. You are here. Pavani's parents, and Pavani's parents' parent. That's it. All the characters. As I told already, if you are extending a member outer class also, or not extending also, by default all the variables will be available for this inner classes.
So yeah.
Clear, right?
Yeah. So we need to implement the method.
Static inner classes. Who is turning the pages? Static outer. We'll talk about static inner classes. No, I asked you who is turning the pages because I understand you are writing the notes.
Me.
Me. There is no student name is called as me in my class.
Pavni.
Yes. If we define any inner class as a static, then it is known as static inner class. If we define any inner class as a static, that is known as static inner class in Java. If we define any inner class as static, then it is known as static inner class. This is called static inner class in Java. Okay. The properties of the static inner classes are sorry. So we can declare any access specifier here. We can declare public or default or protected, private, protected, or default. And also we can have any methods here. We can have public, void, M1 public void M2. Static here or non-static. Okay. Static members of a class are directly available to the static or non-static members of the class itself. But whereas a non-static members of a class are not directly available to the static members of the class. We'll try to see how it is. I have declared as a static public. Please, if you want to write down, we can define any access specified before a static inner class. You can define any access specifiers before static inner classes. Static inner classes can have static members as well as non-static members. Int x static int y. I declare two variables here. I have a default static class inner. In this I have a method called as M1. Inside this method please stop your iPads, please stop browsing Facebook. If you want you can send me a request on Facebook, but don't browse now. Y equal to y plus Pavani, whatever you shared just now, it is very good in Facebook. Public void M2. Sorry.
Nothing.
Yeah, just now you shared it is very good in my mobile as well. Okay. Good post. In the method, this is normal method, this is static method. Inside this, we'll try to see whether we can access non-static members inside the static block or not. We can access
Non-static members inside static block. No.
What is the error you are getting?
Multiple markers at this line cannot make static reference to the non-static field X, cannot make static reference to the non-static field X.
Excellent. Again, one more is there, right?
Yeah, here in method 2.
Yeah. No, but here we cannot use non-static members inside inner static class static methods, right?
Okay.
Yes.
This is non-static variable. This is instance variable. You cannot use this instance variable inside the static inner classes of static method M1.
We cannot make even in non-static methods too, right?
Sorry?
Even in a non-static method, we will be not able to access the static members.
Ah, you are seeing here and you are answering, right? Yes, I am coming back there only. See error here?
Yeah, cannot make static reference to the non-static field X.
Cannot make static reference non-static because we should not use either static, we should not use non-static members inside the static method, non-static method inside the static inner classes. Static members of a class are directly available to the directly available to the static or non-static members of the class, but non-static members of a class are not directly available to the static members of the class. Is it answers?
Yes.
In static in the class, even though if you define a non-static function, even though if you define a non-static function, it is still static because it is in a static class. Understand, right? Very important concept, very important interview questions for inner classes. From static in the class, we cannot access any static members of the outer class directly.
Can you repeat, Chaitanya?
In a static inner class, even though if we define a non-static function, it is still as a static function.
Static terms, yeah.
Right? So this is very important concept because this makes sense here. What is the difference between non-static static methods and static methods and instance methods in Java? They will ask first question. Next question is, what is the difference between static method and instance method in inner classes? Member in the class. Next question is, what is the difference between static method and non-static method inside the static inner classes? That scenario you should make the answer difference. Okay. Now, if I want to access outer class objects inside the inner class, we'll see how we can access. Or we will see how we will not able to access it. M outer. You don't want to use static. Now, here I want to create object for static inner equal, static outer equal to static outer. Okay. By using outer dot M outer. You are able to access it?
Yes. Yes.
Inner dot
Method.
M2. Are you able to access it?
Yes.
Yes.
Inner dot M1. Are you able to access it?
Yes.
Why? How you are accessing?
Using the class name we are.
Then what is the behavior? Why you are accessing by using class name?
Static way. It is a
This is again power.
yes.
What are the uses of inner classes? First question. Anyone can answer. Price distribution will be there.
Maybe we can reuse the code.
Okay. Again. Now we'll see how to access static inner class variables and methods here. You are able to access it here, main method.
Yes. Yes.
Let me create a test class for this. I'm able to access, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Why I'm getting error here?
Wait.
Okay. Got error in member in the classes. Who told this? I'm able to access?
Pardon me.
Exception in thread main stack overflow error. You should not access like this. You should always access in different static inner classes way. Dot inner inner equal to new static outer dot static inner. So the difference between the static method, static inner classes and member inner classes creating object. Remember this one. That scenario you used again new here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't say yeah. Please read the Go and read it here again. See the answer. We get a new member inner again. Okay. Whereas in this class, no need to create like this. Directly access new static inner dot static out dot static inner. Now inner dot, I can access all the way two methods, right? Or else I can access like this also. Like static inner dot m2 m1 is this is the way to access static way. This is called as static way. m1 is a static method, right?
Yes.
So static method, how we can access? By using class name, right?
Yeah.
How to call the parent class inner class method name? Inner class methods, how to access? By using class name, outer class name, right? That's it.
Yes.
What are the uses of inner classes? We can achieve more modularity using inner classes. Whenever we need to define a large number of functions in a class, then we go for inner classes. Local inner classes, next concept. So far clear, right? This one? Static member, static class, static and member in the classes.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
local inner classes. Getting bored, guys?
No.
When we define a class, inside a method, when we define a class, inside a method is called as local variable, local inner classes. Exactly same as a local variable in Java. We'll see finals now.
Semicolon.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Who is this? I'm really sorry for this. Final int j equal to 30. Inside this method, what is the local inner class, Pavani?
When we define a class, inside a method is called local inner class.
What is the difference between method overloading and method overloading in Java?
Method overloading can be done in one class. Method overriding happens in two classes. When we try to extend the parent class in subclass, method overloading and method overriding parameters can be changed. And
What is static in Java? Local inner. class local inner. Before starting the class, I told you be ready. I will ask some questions, right?
Yes.
I declare a class here inside the method. I'm getting some error. What is this error? The nested type local inner cannot hide the enclosed type. What is the meaning of that? Can you help me out?
The nested method. Can you show the error once again, please?
Okay.
The nested type local inner cannot hide the enclosing type.
Okay. We'll see. Public void m local inner. Shuguna, understanding, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Tell me what is the difference with the abstract class interfaces? Time up. I declare a variable here, global variable called as index, whether we'll see whether we can access index variable or not. Oh, I'm able to access it, right? Clear. If I access I variable here, what will happen? Pavani? Pavani. If I
Yeah.
access I variable, what will happen?
Cannot refer to non-final variable inside inner class defined in a different method. So you can only access constants in local inner classes?
I don't know. Can you try it again? Can you read the answer error again?
Cannot refer to non-final variable I inside an inner class defined in different methods. I didn't understand that.
Yeah, now you understand. You understand, right? Hello.
Yeah.
What you understand?
Only final variables are accessed inside local inner classes.
And also,
Instance variable.
this is just instance variable, right?
But it is inside a method. Oh no,
Okay.
it's not instance.
Hmm.
It's local variable.
Local variable.
Yeah, please now completely. You tell me the answer now.
Okay. You can access instance variables and constants inside the local inner classes, but you
Constant.
cannot access
What is meaning
Final.
of constant?
Final.
Yeah, please repeat answer again. No breaks.
Yeah, you can access instance variables and final variables in local inner classes, but you cannot access
Please repeat again.
local variables.
Please repeat again. Take your time and please repeat again. No breaks. Take your time and explain it.
You can access instance variables and final local variables inside the local inner classes, but you cannot access local variables inside local inner classes.
Please read that message, that notes. You can repeat so other people will write down. You also write down.
Okay.
I will also write down.
You can access instance variables.
You should tell fastly, not like this. Like
Local final variables. Even I am writing local final variables inside local inner classes, but you cannot access.
Twist speed.
But you cannot access local variables inside local inner classes.
Yeah. So we're gonna repeat that statement again.
You can access instance variable, local, final variable inside a inner classes, but you cannot access local variable inside local inner class.
Is it correct statement, Pavani?
Yeah. Correct, Subna. But still we are getting the error when we are declaring the class local inner over there. Why?
Yes, yes. I am looking at that issue now. Why you are getting error, Piyush? Do you have any idea?
No. Can you show the error what it is?
This error will see later.
Is it because you are having a local inner class inside another local inner class?
No, this is the meaning of local classes, right?
Yeah.
Chaitanya, I think we are using the same name for outer class and local inner class. That's the error we are getting.
Who is this?
Avni.
But I know that one, but I want to know from you, Bhavani. What will happen if run the application? What is the output? What is the output? First, local outer dot m1 method is executed, because since we are
Then it
calling
is
m1 method, then it went inside again. It executed this line, but when you call this one only, it is displaying output, right?
Yeah.
If we
don't create object of inner class, it will not display the output.
Yeah, it won't display. How come it will display? How to call? How to access the neighbor's house?
It's inside a method, right?
But I don't want. I'm not calling it, right?
Yeah.
I'm not calling,
It's a
right?
class.
Anyway. It's a class.
Yeah.
I think we learn today more concepts.
Overloaded.
Overloaded. Huh? There is one more concept called as anonymous inner classes. ANONYMOUS. Please write down. Anonymous inner classes. ANONYMOUS. We have 1 more hour extra now.
So you're taking an hour extra today?
Yeah.
Um,
You have any plans?
yeah.
At least 45 minutes.
Half an hour is good for me.
Half an hour I cannot cover one concept. We'll see. how
Okay,
much
that's
we can
fine.
cover it. ANONYMOUS. Anonymous outer. Anonymous inner classes are the inner classes defined without a name. In order to define anonymous inner class, we definitely need an interface or an abstract class. Anonymous inner classes are two types. Local anonymous inner classes, member anonymous inner classes. I have an interface I'm declaring interface here. Interface. Inside this, I would like to have public void function 1. Inside the interface, what are the different methods are available, Suguna?
Abstract methods.
So I cannot. What is the meaning of abstract methods?
There is no body for the abstract methods. We'll just define abstract methods with the keyword.
I can create a class here. Static xyz x1 equal to new xyz. Can you give me 1 minute? I'm getting on call, please.
I cannot hear you, Chaitanya.
I think he's still on call.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, are you able to hear anything from
No,
Chaitanya?
no. No.
I think he's still in call.
Yeah.
So what is anonymous inner classes?
Anonymous inner classes are defined without name. In order to define anonymous inner class, we definitely need an interface or abstract class.
Okay. I'm going to give assignment for you guys as anonymous inner classes. I'm got more tired on this anonymous inner classes. You guys please try to implement anonymous inner classes. How to implement anonymous inner classes? This is assignment for you. Okay?
Sure. Sure.
Okay. So today's class, what are the concepts we covered today?
Have covered inner classes, types of inner classes we have covered today.
There is a relationship in Java called as is a relationship and has a relationship. What is a relationship? What is has a relationship in Java? The is a relationship is expressed with inheritance concept and has a relationship is expressed with composition. What is the difference between inheritance and composition in Java? You guys are running out of time.
Yeah, today.
It's a Sunday.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. It is Monday for me. Give me 1 minute. Who is this? It is Sunday? Huh? One minute. Please take the diagram. Pavani, you have a house, right? Hmm?
Yeah.
In this house, we have kitchen room, bedroom, bathroom, right?
Yeah.
We can call it as house is a bathroom.
How is a bathroom?
Yeah,
Huh?
I'm asking. You can call or not?
No.
No. Yeah.
No.
No,
We
yeah.
can't call.
Yes. Why we cannot call?
A bathroom is a part of house. It's not a house.
Excellent. House is a building we can call, right? We can call house is a building, right?
No.
Yeah.
Why we will call house is a building? Why we will call house is a building?
Because it is built.
Okay. Don't tell reasons like this. House, we can call house also, house is a building. That means if we take a scenario, class building, a class house extends building, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody running out of time, and whatever answer I am telling, you are saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Class extends building, so that I can get all the characteristics from the house on the building, right? This is called as easy relationship. House is a building. Subclass is a parent class. Whereas house, please take the diagram. Inside this house, if you want to access bathroom, I should create object for bathroom, then only I can access the bathroom, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, house has a bathroom, house has a kitchen, house has a bedroom. This is called as composition relationship. Composition means, okay, we'll see tomorrow's class. So what is the difference between inheritance and composition? Which one to use when? Okay.
Oh.
Exceptions are objects. Exceptions are objects created by JVM.
The inheritance concepts will be explained by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will explain tomorrow's class on exceptions also. Exceptions are objects created by JVM that represent the corresponding logical errors.